Hello and welcome to HouseLux Estate, the channel that empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Here at HouseLux, we are committed to providing you with the tools and knowledge necessary to navigate the labyrinth of financial planning. Our mission is to bring clarity to complex financial topics, enabling you to take control of your financial future. Today, we're delving into a topic of growing importance: planning for the financial needs of aging parents. As our parents age, their financial needs evolve, and it's crucial that we're prepared to support them without compromising our own financial stability. This is a delicate balancing act, and we're here to help you find that balance. Whether it's understanding healthcare costs, long-term care options, or simply budgeting for their day-to-day needs, we'll cover it all. Today, we'll guide you through building a financial plan for supporting aging parents. Why is it essential to financially plan for our aging parents' future? As our parents age, their needs evolve. They might need specialized healthcare, assistance with day-to-day activities, or a more comfortable living arrangement. These requirements often come with increased costs. In the United States alone, the cost of healthcare is skyrocketing, with the average annual healthcare expense for seniors exceeding $30,000. And remember, this is just the average. In some cases, the cost can be much higher. Then there's the cost of living. Whether your parents are living independently or in a care facility, expenses associated with housing, utilities, food, and other necessities are continually rising. Without careful planning, these costs can become a significant burden, not only for your parents, but also for you. Now let's talk about peace of mind. Knowing that your parents are well taken care of financially can relieve a lot of stress. You won't have to worry about them struggling to afford their needs or being forced to compromise on their quality of life due to financial constraints. And let's not forget the emotional comfort it brings to your parents, knowing they won't become a financial burden to their children. Moreover, it's not just about their future, it's about yours too. If you end up shouldering your parents' financial burdens without a proper plan, it could derail your own financial goals. You might have to dip into your savings or postpone your retirement. But with a sound financial plan in place, you can ensure that you're taking care of your parents without jeopardizing your financial stability. So financial planning for our aging parents isn't just an act of responsibility or love. It's a necessity, a proactive step towards securing their future and ours. It helps in managing the rising costs of healthcare and living expenses, alleviating financial strain, and providing peace of mind. Planning not only ensures their comfort, but also secures your financial future. Building a financial plan might seem daunting, but we break it down into manageable steps. Let's dive into the process and explore these steps one by one. First and foremost, you need to assess your current financial status. This is the foundation upon which your entire financial plan will be built. Start by listing all your assets and liabilities. Your assets may include your savings, investments, real estate, and other valuable items. Your liabilities, on the other hand, include all your debts and financial obligations. Once you have a clear understanding of where you stand financially, you can move on to the next step. The second step involves estimating future expenses. This is a critical step that requires careful thought and consideration. It involves estimating the costs associated with your parents' healthcare, housing, personal care, and other day-to-day expenses. Keep in mind that these costs can significantly increase over time due to inflation and other factors. Therefore, you need to consider these variables and make realistic estimates. Thirdly, let's look into insurance options. Insurance can provide a safety net in case of unforeseen circumstances. There are different types of insurance policies available, each offering different coverage options. These include health insurance, long-term care insurance, and life insurance, amongst others. It's crucial to understand what each policy covers, the costs involved, and how they can contribute to your financial plan. Consulting with an insurance expert or financial advisor can be beneficial in making informed decisions. Next, we move on to creating an emergency fund. An emergency fund serves as a financial buffer in case of unexpected expenses. This could be anything from sudden medical bills to unanticipated home repairs. The general rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. However, given the additional responsibility of supporting aging parents, you may want to aim for a larger safety net. Once these steps are in place, it's time to create a budget. This is a detailed plan that outlines how your income will be allocated towards your expenses, savings, and investments. A well-structured budget allows you to keep track of your finances, make necessary adjustments, and stay on top of your financial goals. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the importance of regular reviews and updates. Your financial plan is not set in stone. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances can change, requiring you to adjust your plan accordingly. Regularly reviewing and updating your financial plan ensures that it remains relevant and effective. In conclusion, building a financial plan involves assessing your current financial status, estimating future expenses, considering insurance options, creating an emergency fund, forming a budget, and conducting regular reviews and updates. It might seem like a lot to handle, but with careful planning and dedication, it's entirely doable. Remember, the goal is to create a plan that is sustainable and flexible. It's about providing financial support for your aging parents without compromising your own financial stability. With the right plan in place, you can ensure that your parents' golden years are as comfortable and worry-free as possible. Once you have your plan, the next step is implementation. So, how do we go about this? Let's break it down. Firstly, we need to make the plan operational. This can be done by setting up automatic payments. Think of it as a direct debit from your account to your parents' account, or to any institutions that provide services to them. This not only ensures timely payments, but also helps you keep track of your expenses. You might be wondering, how often should I set these payments? Well, it depends on the nature of the expenses. Some may be monthly, like utility bills or rent, while others may be quarterly or annually, like insurance premiums or property taxes. It's all about organizing these payments in a way that aligns with your financial rhythm. The second step is regular reviews of the plan. Just like a car needs periodic servicing to run smoothly, your financial plan needs regular checkups too. This helps you see if you're on track or if there are any unexpected expenses cropping up. Regular reviews also allow you to spot any potential issues early and address them before they become major problems. A good rule of thumb is to review your plan every 3 to 6 months. However, if there are significant changes in circumstances, such as a sudden health issue or change in living arrangements, it may require an immediate review and potential adjustments. Which brings us to our third step, adjusting the plan as necessary. Life is unpredictable, and so are financial needs. Your parents' needs might change, or your own financial situation might shift. When such changes occur, it's crucial to revisit your plan and make necessary adjustments. Remember, a financial plan is not set in stone. It's a dynamic tool that should adapt to changing circumstances. In conclusion, implementing a financial plan requires setting up automatic payments, conducting regular reviews, and making prompt adjustments. With a well-implemented plan, you can confidently support your parents while safeguarding your own financial health. So, let's get to work on making your plan a reality. To recap, we've discussed the importance of financial planning for aging parents and how to create and implement a plan. We started by understanding the pressing need to secure our parents' golden years. Then we delved into the steps of building a comprehensive financial plan, from assessing your parents' financial situation to setting realistic goals and considering various funding sources. We also discussed the importance of regular reviews and adjustments to the plan. This process might seem overwhelming, but remember, it's about ensuring peace of mind and financial security for your aging parents. It's about helping them enjoy the fruits of their labor without worrying about monetary matters. It's about showing them love and gratitude by taking responsibility for their financial well-being. Thanks for joining us at HouseLux Estate. Remember to subscribe for more financial guidance. And remember, planning today ensures a secure tomorrow for you and your loved ones.